Hey Cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Today, it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be doing a Geocaching 101 on challenge caches. For those of you that don't know what a challenge cache is, well, a challenge cache falls under the mystery unknown category type, and it is actually located at the physical locations, but you have to do certain things to qualify to actually log that cache as a find online. One thing I like about challenge caches, and I haven't really done a lot of them, but you can actually go and find the challenge cache, sign the log, but not log it online. You write a note, even if you don't qualify for that. Now, they do that because, for instance, like we're moving out of the area and we wanted to hit all these different challenge caches on this trail. We don't qualify for all those challenges yet, but we can sign that log, and then when we actually qualify, we can go online and actually log it as a find. It's not breaking the rules or anything. That's actually in the rule book that you can actually do that, and that's what's really cool. That way, like we're gonna be living in Memphis, we don't actually have to travel back here again to actually find the cache and to log it. We've already logged it and it's ready to go. So that's why challenge caches are a very unique type of cache. Now, not all challenge caches require you to have to climb a ladder, go up a tree, any of that. Some of them are as simple as a park and grab. For the physical container where you actually log it is, that is. Now, what makes it a challenge is, for instance, to be able to sign the log online, you have to attend 25 events, or find a cache in 100 counties, 200 counties, cache so many days in a row. That's what makes a challenge cache a challenge, and that's what makes it the difficulty rating that it has. The terrain of the cache itself is the terrain that it is for the location itself, not all the different terrains of the caches that you have to find. So you may be wondering if you qualify for a challenge cache. Well, on the description page for the cache itself, we'll have a GC checker. So you can actually check to see if you qualify for the challenge cache. Geocaching.com partnered with Project GC so they could add the checker to find out instantly if you qualified for that challenge. Nikki, have you gotten it?
Yeah, I'm signing it right now.
Now, this was just a brief overview of challenge caches. And if you've never done a challenge cache, I would suggest going out and try and find some, even if you don't meet the challenge. Now remember, you can sign the physical log and place a note on the cache page itself that you don't qualify for it, but you will. And using Project GC, we'll actually be able to use filters and be able to find all the logs that you've actually placed notes on. Now, if you want more information on challenge caches, I highly recommend this book by one of my friends, Memfis Mafia. It's called Geocaching Challenges, the Game Within the Game. Memfis Mafia is the co-host of Geocache Talk, and him and his wife wrote this book, and I would highly recommend this book, and check it out. I have all the information to how to get this book down in the description below. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Check out one of these other videos right over here, and I'll catch you over on those videos. Have fun, go get a challenge, leave me a comment down below, and let me know, have you done challenge caches? And if you have, what was the most fun challenge cache you've ever done? All right, guys, check out one of those videos, and I'll see you later.